Hi, it's Claire Thompson here from Hensel's Agency. Welcome to Unit 901 in Monaco. Centred in downtown Caloundra, this beautiful one-bedroom studio-style apartment offers all the creature comforts of home. Internally, this fully furnished unit has a full kitchenette with inbuilt dishwasher and microwave, a separate laundry, extensive living and dining with air conditioning, walking into the master king-size bedroom, you have enough room to fit a super king bed, 2 built-in cupboards, and a full ensuite with a bath and shower. If you'd like to arrange a private inspection of Unit 901 in Monaco, please call us today.